Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, I'm going to show you something that was a little funny. You know, people used to make fun of baling wire mechanics, so that was kind of a bad thing. But anyway, using wire is not all that bad. If you were working on aircraft or any kind of heavy duty truck, a lot of the brake components you'd use a safety tie wire. So let's come over here and check this out. Well, here we go. Mechanics wire. And I've had this roll of wire for a long time, but thought I'd just get it out. Every time I see it, I see that mechanics wire, and I just kind of get a kick out of seeing that. But anyway, you know, there's a place for a little wire. You may have a job that needs it, but that's it right there. It's 18 gauge, I believe. Yeah, 18 gauge, little 2-pound roll. I've had this for a long time, and looks like I'll have it for a while longer. Oh, here we go. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you coming by the shop and checking this out. This is Rusty Glove Box. Thanks for watching, and I'm out of here.